Okay. So, you know how we were talking about doing a deep dive on dreams?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, funny thing, I had this crazy dream last night.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like I was flying over my town.
No
I
way.
know, right? But get this.
Why?
Everything was made of candy.
What?
Like the whole town.
Yeah. Like houses were chocolate bars and the trees had lollipops.
Wow. That's,
I know.
sounds pretty sweet.
It was. Until they started falling.
Oh.
Yeah, you know that feeling like when you're falling in a dream
Mm-hmm.
and you like jolt awake?
Oh, yeah, totally. I hate that.
It's so weird.
It's like, what is even happening in your brain?
Exactly.
Speaking of weird dreams, though,
Yeah.
I had one last night where I was late for work.
The worst.
I know, right?
Yeah.
But I was running and running, and I just couldn't get any closer.
Like you were stuck?
Totally.
Hmm.
It was so stressful. I woke up feeling like I'd run a marathon.
I bet. It's funny how those everyday worries can sneak into our dreams.
Right. Like your brain just can't let go. Exactly. So basically, we both had kind of strange dreams last night.
Yep,
And we thought it would be fun to do a deep dive into dreams in general.
for sure.
Like, what are some common dream experiences? What might be going on when we dream?
Right. Because everyone dreams, but we don't always understand them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if you're listening, think about some of your own dreams and see if any of this resonates with you.
Yeah. And don't forget to like and subscribe because we've got tons more deep dives coming up.
Okay, so let's start with that falling feeling.
Oh, yeah, that's a classic.
I read somewhere that it might be connected to feeling out of control in real life.
Interesting.
Like maybe you're stressed about a job or a relationship,
Hmm.
and that anxiety turns into a falling dream.
Makes sense.
Right. It's like your brain's way of saying, whoa, things are a little shaky right now.
Yeah, I can see that.
Another common one is dreaming about your teeth falling out.
Oh, that one's freaky.
I know, right? So weird.
What do you think that one means?
Well, some people think it's about like worry or fear.
Oh, right.
Yeah, maybe about something you said or didn't say.
Like feeling powerless to communicate.
Exactly. You know, I had one of those dreams a while back.
You did.
Yeah, and I was going through a tough time at work where I felt like nobody was listening to me.
Wow. Maybe there's a connection there.
Right. It's like my subconscious was working through that feeling.
Fascinating.
Then there are those dreams where you see someone from your past,
Oh, yeah.
like someone you haven't thought about in years.
Totally. It's so weird how your brain can just pull up those memories.
I know. I had one recently about a friend from elementary school.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't seen her in like 15 years.
Wow.
But there she was in my dream.
It's crazy how our brains hold on to all that stuff.
Right. Even the things we think we've forgotten.
And sometimes those random memories can pop up in our dreams.
Exactly. And then, of course, there's the classic being late dream.
Ugh. I had that one last night, remember?
Oh, yeah, you were telling me about that.
It's just so stressful. That feeling of rushing and not getting anywhere.
It's like your mind is replaying all those anxieties.
Totally. It's like a nightmare version of your to-do list.
And you know what's another super common one?
What?
Dreaming about being at work
Oh, no.
and realizing you're not wearing pants.
Oh my gosh, that's the worst.
I know, right? So embarrassed.
Like everyone's staring at you.
I know. Wonder what that one means.
Maybe it's about feeling exposed or unprepared.
Yeah, like you're not ready for something.
Or maybe you're worried about people judging you.
Right. It's
Sure,
like
huh?
your deepest fears coming out in your dreams.
So we've talked about some of the common weird and sometimes stressful dreams.
Yeah.
But why do we even dream in the first place?
That's the big question, right?
I think it might have something to do with our brains processing the day.
Like cleaning up and organizing everything.
Yeah, like a mental filing system.
I've noticed that I tend to dream more when I'm really busy or stressed.
Oh, interesting.
Like my brain is still working overtime even when I'm asleep.
Maybe that's why I had that work dream last night.
Could be. You said it was a super busy day, right?
Totally swamped.
So your brain was probably still trying to sort everything out.
Makes sense.
Did you know that most people have like 3 to 5 dreams every night?
Really?
Yeah, but we usually only remember 1 or 2.
That's true. I rarely remember mine.
It's like they fade away as soon as you wake up.
Yeah, it's like trying to catch smoke.
So what are some ways to remember our dreams better?
Well, one thing you can do is keep a dream journal.
Oh, yeah, like by your bed.
Exactly. As soon as you wake up, jot down anything you remember.
Even if it's just a few words.
Yeah, even just a feeling or an image.
I know if I grab my phone first thing in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
whatever dream I had is gone.
Yeah, all that new information just overwrites it.
So you're saying it's better to give your brain a few minutes?
To just focus on the dream before you jump into the day.
That makes sense.
Also, talking about your dream with someone can help you remember it.
It's true. Just talking about my candy dream now.
Yeah.
I'm remembering more details I had forgotten.
See? It works.
Okay, so what about nightmares?
Ugh, those are the worst.
Any tips for avoiding those and having nicer dreams?
Well, it might help to create a relaxing bedtime routine.
Like what kind of things?
Maybe reading something calming
Mm-hmm.
or listening to soothing music.
Or like taking a warm bath?
Exactly. Anything that helps you unwind.
So you're saying a peaceful mindset before bed can lead to more peaceful dreams?
It's worth a try, right?
Definitely. I've also heard that what you eat can affect your dreams.
Oh, really? Like what?
I read that spicy foods and cheese can lead to more vivid dreams.
Wow, interesting.
And eating a big meal right before bed can make your dreams more strange.
Huh, that's good to know.
So maybe stick to a light snack if you want sweet dreams.
Makes sense.
Okay, but let's talk about some of the funny and weird dreams people have.
Oh, yeah, those are the best.
Like I once dreamt that my cat could talk.
No way. What did he say?
We had this deep voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he was complaining about the food I was giving him.
Oh, no.
I know. It was so hilarious.
What about you? Any funny dream stories?
Oh, tons. I once dreamt I was on a cooking show.
Like a celebrity chef.
I wish. But I could only make cereal.
What?
I know, and the judges were so disappointed.
It must have been like, seriously,
Yeah.
cereal.
I know. It was so embarrassing.
Oh, man, dreams can be brutal.
They can. I also have one where everyone at work was wearing pajamas.
What? That's amazing.
I know, right? It was so random.
It's like your brain just throws things together.
Exactly. But sometimes dreams can actually be helpful.
Really? How so?
I've actually solved a work problem in a dream before.
No way.
Seriously. I was stuck on this project,
Uh-huh.
and then I dreamt about it,
Yeah.
and the solution just came to me.
Wow, that's amazing.
I know. I woke up and it was like a light bulb moment.
It's like your subconscious was working on it in the background.
Exactly.
You know, there's this thing called lucid dreaming.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of that.
It's when you know you're dreaming while you're in the dream.
And you can sometimes control what happens.
Right. It's like being in your own movie.
I've had a few lucid dreams.
Really? What were they like?
Amazing. Like I had superpowers.
No way.
Yeah, I could fly and everything.
That's so cool.
I know. There are actually techniques to try and induce lucid dreaming.
Really? Like what?
One is to keep asking yourself throughout the day, am I dreaming?
Huh, interesting.
And then do a reality check, like looking at your hands.
To see if they look normal.
Exactly. The idea is that you'll start doing it in your dreams too.
And then you'll realize you're dreaming.
Yeah. It's like training your mind to be more aware.
Pretty cool.
But of course, getting enough sleep is key for all of this.
Definitely. Sleep is so important.
When you're well rested, you just function better.
Totally. And that includes dreaming.
Experts say adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep.
That sounds about right.
A consistent sleep schedule can also help.
Like going to bed and waking up around the same time every day.
Exactly. It helps regulate your body's natural sleep cycle.
Makes sense.
But what about when dreams are really bad?
Like nightmares.
Yeah. Should we be worried if we have those a lot?
Well, the occasional bad dream is normal.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're having frequent nightmares that are really disturbing,
Yeah.
it might be worth talking to a doctor.
Just to rule out anything serious.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's always better to be safe than sorry.
You know, some people think dreams can predict the future.
Oh, yeah. I've heard that.
I had a funny coincidence yesterday.
What happened?
I dreamt I found a $20 bill,
Uh,
and then later that day I found a 20 in my old coat pocket.
wow. That's wild.
I know, right? But I think it was just a fluke.
Probably. But still a fun coincidence.
Totally. Okay, one last tip for remembering dreams.
Yeah.
Try saying to yourself before you fall asleep, I will remember my dreams.
Interesting. Like a little mental reminder.
Exactly. It might help plant that seed in your subconscious.
I'll have to try that.
It's worth a shot.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day,
Mm-hmm.
dreams are super personal.
Definitely.
What they mean for one person might be totally different for someone else.
Right. There's no universal dream dictionary.
Exactly. So it's fun to explore these common themes.
For sure.
But ultimately, your dreams are your own.
They're like a window into your own mind.
Well, this has been a really fascinating deep dive into the world of dreams.
I agree.
Thanks for exploring with us.
It was fun.
And remember all those amazing and sometimes weird dreams you have.
Mm-hmm.
They're coming from your own incredible mind.
Let's pay attention to them.
You might learn something new about yourself.
And if you liked this deep dive and want to hear more,
Be sure to subscribe and give us a like.
we've got tons more deep dives coming your way.
Sweet dreams, everyone.
Good night.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.